Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Olivia, and today we are going to talk about how to say I'm fine and use 5 better phrases instead.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Olivia, how are you today?
Hi, Max. I'm fine.
Fine? Really? Just fine?
Yes. Why? Is that a problem?
Well, fine is a good word, but we use it too much.
That's true. I say I'm fine every single day.
Me too. Many English learners only know this one phrase.
I think it's time to learn something new.
Yes, today we are going to learn 5 easy ways to say how we feel.
I'm excited. Let's start.
First, let's talk about why I'm fine is not always the best answer.
Okay, tell me more.
Fine doesn't say much. It's a little boring.
Haha, that's true. It doesn't show your real feeling.
Exactly. If you feel great, you should say something better.
And if you feel bad, fine doesn't really explain that either.
Right. In English, people ask, "How are you?" all the time.
Yes, at work, at school, with friends, everywhere.
So we need more than one answer.
I agree. Let's learn 5 natural phrases today.
Great. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's start with the first phrase.
Okay, what is it?
The first one is, "I'm doing great."
I love that phrase. It sounds so positive.
Yes, we use great when we feel really happy or excited.
Can you give an example, Max?
Sure. If someone asks, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm doing great, thank you."
That sounds much better than I'm fine.
Exactly. It shows real happiness.
Let's try the second phrase.
Okay. The second phrase is, "Pretty good, thanks."
I hear that a lot from native speakers.
Yes, it's very common in everyday conversation.
When do we use it?
We use it when we feel good, but not super excited.
So it's a little more relaxed?
Exactly. For example, "How's it going?" "Pretty good, thanks." And you?
I like that. It sounds very natural.
It is. Native speakers say this all the time.
Let's move to the third phrase.
The third phrase is, "Not too bad."
That's interesting. It has the word bad in it.
Yes, but it actually means something positive.
Really? How?
Not too bad means things are okay, or even good.
Oh, I understand now. It's like saying no problems today.
Exactly. For example, "How was your day?" "Not too bad, thanks."
That's a great phrase for a normal day.
Yes, it's perfect when your day is calm and easy.
Let's continue. What's the fourth phrase?
The fourth phrase is, "I'm doing okay."
This one sounds simple.
Yes, and it's very useful too.
When should we use it?
We use it when things are just normal. Not bad, not great.
So it's a neutral answer.
Exactly. For example, "How are you today?" "I'm doing okay, thanks."
I think I use this feeling a lot.
Me too. Many days are just okay days.
True. Now, what about the last phrase?
The fifth phrase is, "I could be better."
Oh, that sounds a little sad.
Yes, we use it when we don't feel very good.
Can you give an example?
Sure. "How are you?" "I could be better. I'm a little tired today."
I understand. It's honest, but still polite.
Exactly. It's a soft way to say, "not great."
I really like these 5 phrases.
Me too. Now, let's talk a little about grammar.
Okay, I'm ready.
Did you notice the word feel in our example?
Yes, I'm feeling tired today.
Feel is a special verb. It's irregular.
What does irregular mean?
It means the verb doesn't follow the normal past tense rule.
Can you explain more?
Sure. Regular verbs add ed for the past tense. For example, start becomes started.
Okay, that makes sense.
But feel is different. The past tense is felt, not feeled.
Oh, I see. Feel becomes felt.
Exactly. It's an irregular verb, so we must remember it.
That's a great tip, Max.
Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Okay, I'm ready.
Listen to this word, great.
Great.
Good. Notice the strong sound on the word. We say it with energy.
Great, like that?
Perfect. And one more tip. I'm is a short form of I am.
Right, we call that a contraction.
Exactly. Native speakers almost always say I'm, not I am.
That's very helpful for pronunciation practice.
Let's practice all 5 phrases together.
Okay, I'll ask and you answer. How are you today?
I'm doing great.
How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks.
How was your day? Not too bad. How are you feeling?
I'm doing okay.
How are you today?
I could be better.
Perfect. You did all 5 phrases so well.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, everyone watching.
Try saying these 5 phrases out loud with us.
Yes, practice makes it easier to remember.
What about you? Which phrase do you like best?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to know your favorite phrase.
These 5 phrases are simple, but they make a big difference.
I agree. They make your English sound more natural.
And more importantly, they show your real feeling.
That's true. Words really do matter.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really helps our channel grow, and it helps more learners find us.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
I hope everyone learned 5 new useful phrases.
Remember, next time someone asks, "How are you?" try one of these.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.